Hi, this is Yuwanda from Yuwanda Editorial with another tip, freelance writing tip in the Imperfectly Perfect video series. If you don't know what this series is about, there's a link below that tells you all about it. But my tip for today is how to create multiple streams of income as a freelance writer. I make money writing in 4 different ways. I write for clients, although I don't do as much of that anymore. I create and develop online courses, which I teach. I do blogging and affiliate marketing, and I also self-publish books, fiction and nonfiction. 3 of these income streams I kind of fell into as a freelance writer. The blogging and affiliate marketing I'm more intentional about. But one of the things I like about being a writer is there are so many ways to make money at it these days. And a lot of people, when they think about freelance writing, the first thing they think about is writing for clients. But guys, you can put your writing skill to use for yourself as well. And once I realized that, it's like a whole new world opened up to me. Nowadays, I don't have to take on projects for clients. I only do it if it meets my budget, if it's something I'm really passionate about. I just really don't have to do it because I have these other income streams. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's a whole lot of work, but it is so worth it, and it took me a few years to do it. But once you start out freelancing, I don't just want you to think about writing for clients. That's fine if that's all you want to do, but there comes a day where you might want to retire or you want more passive income streams. And these other income streams, especially e-course development and self-publishing and blogging and affiliate marketing, all 3 of those you can build to be as big, to earn as much or as little as you want to. Again, it's going to take a lot of work over time, but if you start your freelance writing career with the idea of doing that and build over time, you can literally look up in a few years and go, hey, I don't have to take on projects from clients anymore if I don't want to. So there are some links to a few posts on the blog that talk more about this, so you can check those out. And again, this is Yuwanda from inkwelleditorial.com for the Imperfectly Perfect video series. And if you're wondering why is she so out of breath, well, it's because I'm on my exercise walk. I'm American, but I'm here in Antigua visiting my boyfriend. One of the things you can do as a writer too is your career is very portable, so you can take it wherever you go. So I've been here since March, and it's during the COVID-19 epidemic, so that's why I have the mask on my face. They're pretty strict about it here, and in Antigua they haven't had very many cases at all. As far as I can remember, they got the first case on like March the 13th, and so far there have been only 3 or 4 cases, 3 or 4 deaths, and like, you know, less than 30 cases. So but it's because they're very strict about the mask wearing, hand washing, and all that stuff. So anyway, that's my tip for the day. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll check out the posts on the blog, and I will see you next time with another tip in the Imperfectly Perfect video series. Bye guys.